catching up.
Oh my God, Emily, what are you doing?
That's a lot of junk food.
Okay, stop. You know, Emily, eating all that junk food isn't very good for you.
Yeah, that's how obesity happens.
You're right.
You should be more serious. It's a serious epidemic that's sweeping the nation. Over 100 million people in America alone are affected by it.
Yeah, and since cross-country is over, you won't be burning off all those extra calories. I mean, it's just going to turn into pure fat.
You guys are bonkers. That isn't going to happen to me.
Okay. And this is a great lunch, Tim.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
What's that noise?
I don't know. Jeez, Emily, look how fat you are.
You really ought to eat healthier, Emily. I mean, the FDA wants you to eat like 2,000 calories per day, not 4,000.
Yeah, you need to be active too. Simple activities like walking up the stairs into the store will help, I guess. Over time.
I don't know. We're getting better.
Hold da helt kæft, mand. Du er jo kæmpe stor og fed. Du skulle altså virkelig til at ændre din livsstil. Jeg vil prøve at give dig nogle gode råd på vejen. Nummer 1. Drik 8-10 glas vand om dagen, fordi din krop kan ofte føle sig sulten, hvis du er dehydreret. Nummer 2. Lad være med at have junk food i dit hus.